guys, I brought you a video the other day on setting up Teachable for the first time. Now, before I keep going, let me let you know that there is a link to Teachable in the description box below. Check that out. Go ahead and get yourself set up. There's a free version. I started with the free, and then I did go to the $29.95, and then there's a $99.95 a month, and there's another one. I'm somewhere in the middle. It is an affiliate link, and I do benefit if you eventually wind up making a purchase. Now, let me show you what happened. So I started my course just the other day, and I logged on for the first time. I had never looked at it, and I made the recording to kind of show you guys what it was as I was opening it. And I'm really excited to say that just a few days later, my course is live and already up for sale. I just now published it a couple hours ago. So it took me just a few days. Now, in all fairness, my course material was already pre-written. So I had to just kind of get everything moved over to this platform. So I am not by any means saying building a course only takes a few days, but getting it off of my ebook and getting it over here to the platform was actually pretty seamless. So this is what it looks like on the front end. Okay, not super fancy. This is just where they go to discover a course. Now, I started with my course for the ketogenic diet. So this is called the Ballen Method to Keto. And now next I'm adding the Ballen Method to blogging, the Ballen Method to affiliate marketing, the Ballen Method to video, the Ballen Method to lead conversion, all of those types of things. And so those will all be showing up here on this grid as well once they get on here. So the person comes over to Ballen Academy, they click on the course that they want, and what you have here is a very simple, you can put a banner up here, you can put a video up here if you want. They can enroll in the course for 99 bucks. They have my intro, they have my description about me, and then look at this. Then they can see the class curriculum, and if you wanted to, you can not show this if you don't want to. Mine's pretty robust, it's a good course. And then we've got the frequently asked questions, which I have not gone any further with at this point, but those are on there. And then I have get started now, enroll in the course for 99 bucks, right? Very simple. So I am really excited about the fact that it's super simple. So here's the back end. So all you do is once you go in and you start your course, you just add whatever sections you want. So I did the introduction, prep, how to do the keto diet, keto foods. And some sections are much larger than others, and some are still waiting for me to add to them. And then what you have here is you can keep them all in draft mode until you're ready. And then once you're ready, you just click on it and you can publish one by one, or you can publish the entire course at the same time. Either way, that works fine. Now, also what I was delighted to see, and I'll be breaking this down for you guys into individual components because I intend to teach this since it was so easy. It's also was easy to set up an affiliate program. It was easy to set up my payment structure, whether or not I wanted my course to be recurring. I was able to set up in 5 minutes the payment portal. Really, really simple, not challenging at all. And I had this whole thing set up and launched within a few days. And like I said, the little pieces are all quite simple. So what I'm going to do, I wanted to show you guys that this was live, and you can check this out at ballenacademy.com. Just go to ballenacademy.com if you want to check out my courses. And in the link below, you can check out Teachable, this is called, and I'm going to be teaching this. I'm going to take down every single component, teach you guys exactly how to build it, because, guys, e-learning is huge. E-learning is huge. It is a great way if you are a teacher or coach, or those of you that are following my affiliate marketing training and understand that I make 6 figures just in affiliate marketing. I keep stressing that that's based on software. And how I was able to build to that is by teaching. When you teach products that you use, skill sets that you have, things that you know, and you build a tribe and an audience, people want to be part of that. And software is fantastic because it's a recurring item. And I'll tell you something really cool. I contacted Amazon this morning and I asked them if I'm able to put my Amazon search widgets on the website, even though it is a gated website. Now, they don't want us using our special links on private websites, but they said as long as I own the website, it's my.com, it's my domain or whatever, then I can absolutely use those affiliate links. So if you take a look here at my keto strips page, I'll show you what that looks like. So I just simply added the Amazon code there, and then I'll go to preview. And so I'm just now starting to build in the store into the course too. So this is a great value add to the consumer, because those that are learning the keto diet, they don't know this stuff, they don't understand this stuff, and they want to be able to click a button and get the items that they need. So this is a value add to the course as well as it is a benefit to me. And of course I have my disclaimers in there to let them know that it's a benefit. So I'm covering all the rules. So this is super exciting, and I will be back for more, and I will guide you through the program. I'm Lori Ballen. Thanks for joining me today.